Hi everyone, and I am Jidel Natividad, and today I'll be talking about something that affects all of us, especially now that we spend so much time online. So let's talk about cybercrime. So first is, what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is any kind of illegal activity that happens using a computer and also a internet or other digital devices. It's like real life crime, but instead of happening on the streets, it happens online. Here are some examples of a cyber crimes. So first is a hacking. So hacking, when someone breaks into your account without a permission, syempre. And second is a online scams. So like fake emails or messages asking for money. Yes, asking for money. So third is a cyberbullying. So cyberbullying, saying mean things online to hurt somebody. And the last is a spreading viruses. I think yes, spreading viruses, sending harmful files to damage our computers or to damage our devices. So in the Philippines, we have a law called Republic Act number 10175, or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. So this law protects us from online crimes. So some of the crimes listed in the law. So there's a cyber label. So cyber label saying false or harmful things online, and also cyber sex and online fraud. So cyber sex is using the internet to do sexual acts for money, and online fraud is tricking people for money through online. So cyber criminals can be punished just like a real world criminals. So we have a group like the DOJ or Department of Justice Office of a cybercrimes, and the cybercrime investigation and coordinating center that help us to catch them. So here are a few simple tips to protect yourself from a criminals, or that is what we say, a cyber criminals. So first is, we need to use a strong passwords, and don't share for everybody. And second is, don't click on strange links like emails or any links that can harm our devices. So fourth is keep your apps and devices updated. So we need to update our apps for our safety. So, and don't share too much personal information online. Always think before you click. So the internet is an amazing place, but we need to be smart and careful. So cybercrime is real, and it has happened to everybody. So let's stay alert, stay safe, and help protect each other.